Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new CH knife that I got. This one will be the CH knives 3002 or 3002, and yes, it has been some time since I featured any CH knife on my channel. The last one was back in 2019, and back then they did come in this kind of box here. That was the model 3504. So yeah, look like they are going with the numbering down. And this one here, the 3002, has a really nice, obviously, Micarta. This is what I got it. So let's talk about the specifications. So as you can see, overall this is a really nice, straightforward, general utility EDC design, flipper design. Will fit a really nice big or also medium size hands. I have XL size hands, so if you're a smaller one, then should be no problem. We have an over length of 22.2 centimeters or 8.7 inches, so I always appreciate if there are knives out there meant also for big hands. So the blade is 9.8 centimeters, 3.9 inches. Blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. Blade thickness 3 millimeters, 0.11 inches. Hand length 12.5 centimeters, 4.9 inches, and the thickness without the pocket clip is 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches. The blade material, we have a VG10 with a nice drop point, flat grounded satin finish, and a 59 to 60 HRC. Handle is made out of natural brown canvas micarta. This is unpolished, so it will definitely darken up a little bit when you're using it, and the oils are worked into the fibers of the cloth here. Liners, we have 4 liners that are skeletonized on one side and only partially on the other side. They are using the older method to just drill out the holes right there, so no laser or CNC cutouts, probably, because lots of companies are not using this older method right now. So maybe this is an older model. I don't know when was the initial let's say release date, because it's not stated, and also I got it in 2026, so yeah, might be older model. As far as the pocket clip goes, we have just a stainless steel banded pocket clip which has really stiff action to it. The backspacer is the old school. I use JG10, really partial backspacer right there. As far as the opening goes, we have a dedicated flipper tab, pivot assembly. It rides on caged ball bearing washers, so it is really nice and smooth. The jimping is really sharp, so be careful. It can potentially cut you if you are putting it on your skin. Really sharp. We have also functional jimping on the top. Now let me show you the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, it is really nice and sharp, but definitely I feel a little bit toothy edge, so use your favorite strap or ceramic rod to mitigate that. Okay, as far as let's see the pocket profile here. So this is a thinner jean pocket, so let's use this one. Yeah, thinner jean works without any problems. Let's do also the thicker one. That one works also. So no problems there. Forgot to mention that there is also a generous big linear hole. Now let's check out the liner lock. Yeah, this is enough. No blade play whatsoever, so nicely designed. Okay, as far as the weight goes, we have 112.5 grams or exactly 5 ounces. So good right there. So as far as the variants go, you can choose either from brown or green micarta, but I would probably categorize this more as a tan micarta, yeah, than a brown one. But there are 2 options available. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing a little bit. So these are priced at $32 or 28 euros. So definitely really budget-friendly knife, full-size knife in my opinion. So paired with the VG10 blade and the micarta, I would say you are getting a really great price for this complete package. Okay, now let me show you a few size comparisons. So let's bring out my previous CH purchase. So this is the 3504, which just was really an aggressive flipper, really nice, ergonomically styled with brown G10. Now let's continue with some micarta, of course. So let's continue with some also a budget offering. So here is the previously shown the F1. Then you can choose any knife from Kesivo, Tuna Fire, Free Tiger. This is the 956. Here's the Petrified Fish 949X. Sorry, no, X is the smaller one. This is the full-size one. Or Watchman 111. CJRB Feldspar full-sized. Here is the Yonzandu YX571. QSP Gavial. On the budget is also offering is the Burker Magnum Toxicofera. Let's continue with the Tenable Knives Cryo. Real Steel Knives Griffin Pro. Best Tech Man Dundee, a knife and tools exclusive version with linen micarta. Here is the Knife Stock exclusive Keyhone 2.0 from Burker Plus. A modern traditional from Burker Plus, the Bonfire. Let's continue with the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. And full-size Benchmade Reptilian. Benchmade 710. Cold Steel Recon 1. Let's continue with the Sharpie here. Knife Center exclusive Red Model 1 in 10 micarta. Benchmade 940. Spyderco Endura. also the Humble Peanut from Rough Rider. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, I must say, a really nice, inexpensive design. Maybe one thing that I would change would be definitely either have a thumb studs or standoffs as far as the backspacer, or just put a piece of micarta there. Sorry about that. And yeah, I would definitely like have a better option for the pocket clip. But without, still a good knife in my opinion. For the price point, $32, 28 euros, definitely you can go no wrong. CH Knives did bring out a couple of really interesting knives in the past. Some of them are using either even better blade steels than VG10, so I would not be afraid to check them out at this price point. You are getting a really great knife for the price. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching. This was the CH Knives model 3002. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I'd like to wish you a wonderful day. Stay safe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.